Hello, friends, and welcome to the Kenneth for Cameron Law Office Legal Podcast. In this edition, we look at the estate planning considerations for your family, whether or not it's now or in the future, but especially like we've seen in the world and in New Jersey how the COVID virus has completely, in unprecedented ways, changed the way that we do things. Let's say staying at home, social distancing for safety reasons. We can't visit our elderly parents. I'd say, fortunately, my dad has all his documents in order, but many people don't have their documents in order. I'd say the most frightening part of the COVID virus is the feeling that so much is beyond our control. But there's plenty of things that we can control. I'd say, and one of the things we can control is making sure that the stuff that we put aside and didn't do in the past, the estate planning is done now, and you can get an attorney to prepare your documents so that they're in place. Don't wait for an unexpected illness or death. So even though the governor has ordered people to stay at home, I'd say Ken Verkammen's office is still working. I'm working from my house, preparing documents, preparing wills, preparing living wills, preparing the advance directives for medical care, the powers of attorney. So here's a couple things that you should, even though we're working remotely, what can you have your attorney prepare for you? Number one, look at the power of attorney that you've done in the past. Let's say, is that up to date? Have you done one? If not, get one done. Let's say, you don't wait until the light flashes on your car that says like check oil. So look at your power of attorney. Does the power of attorney and the living will have a HIPAA authorization? If not, get one done. Let's say, update the power of attorney. Have the people moved? Are they no longer in your state? Are they able to drive to the bank and do things on your behalf? I'd say next, look at your, if you haven't done a will, get one done. Otherwise, it's going to cost your family more money. If you do have a will or have a trust, hey, are the people that you picked still the ones that you want? I'd say you look at, has your family been looking out for you if you've been sick or at home? I'd say for people that have minor children, have a will done and have someone picked to be the guardian. I'd say otherwise, like I usually say, a bald white guy at the courthouse determines who's going to get custody of kids. So these and other things are important. Also, I make sure that you by email you can contact your banks and institutions and send them beneficiary designation forms to make sure that the correct people are listed as your beneficiary. They work for you. If they're not willing to work with you now, get different banks, get different institutions. If Merrill Lynch or Morgan Stanley won't work with you, work with your family, well, then change. One other thing that we've talked about is if you got ill, I'd say who would have access to your passwords and your digital information? I'd say in the old days, everyone got account statements that came in, but nowadays things are online. And can your spouse or your other family members be able to contact this? So for estate planning, we can help you now. On our website, there's more information on us doing estate planning online. Website is njlaws.com. That's njlaws.com. There's also a contact form on the website. Otherwise, contact us. Give us a call, 732-572-0500. Thank you.